Yonder Cordless Vacuum Cleaner M1 is a versatile and high-performance stick vacuum designed for whole home cleaning with powerful suction, long battery life, and easy handling. It's ideal for hardwood floors, carpets, pet hair, cars, and everyday debris. The powerful suction system is driven by a 550 brushless motor delivering up to 48 kPa of strong suction power, with 4 adjustable suction levels for different cleaning needs and an independent turbo switch for deep cleaning on demand. With a built-in high-capacity lithium-ion battery, this vacuum provides up to 65 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge, enough to clean large spaces without interruption, and the battery can be quickly replaced or charged separately for even more convenience. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush roll combines rubber strips and soft bristles to reduce hair tangling by up to 97%, meaning less maintenance and easier cleaning around pet hair and fibers compared to ordinary brush rolls. Its self-standing design and charging dock with accessory storage make setup and pauses during cleaning effortless, while the lightweight build and adjustable telescopic tube help you reach under furniture, high places, and tight corners with minimal strain. The vacuum also includes a 7-layer high-efficiency filtration system with HEPA and washable filters to capture fine dust, allergens, and pet dander, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Yonder M1 comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including crevice nozzles, 2-in-1 brushes, mini tools, and more, ensuring you can clean floors, upholstery, cars, and hard-to-reach spots easily. Overall, the Yonder Cordless Vacuum Cleaner M1 combines strong suction, long battery life, anti-tangle design, and thoughtful accessories to deliver a flexible and reliable cleaning experience for everyday home use.